हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ शावेज खान। मेरी लाइफ में मेरे दो ही सबसे बड़े ड्रीम्स हैं। एक बहुत अच्छी बॉडी बनाना और दूसरा एक बहुत अच्छा एक्टर बनना। और मेरे इन दो ड्रीम्स को पूरा करने के लिए मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, कुछ भी। बोल तो दिया कि मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन उस कुछ भी के अंदर जो बहुत सारी मेहनत लगती है, नहीं हो पाती, बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाती। कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं मेरे गोल से नहीं हटूंगा। मुझे करना है और करके दिखाना है।
Say confidently that you will do it.
आई विल डू इट।
Don't shout. Don't shout. दिल से बोलो, मैं करूंगा. Say.
मैं करूंगा।
Remove your sunglasses. I said remove your sunglasses. So the question is, अभी तक क्यों नहीं किया?
कोशिश कर रहा हूं।
कितने सालों से कर रहे हो?
ये कोई 2 या 3 साल से।
अगले कितने सालों तक करोगे?
जब तक करता रहूंगा जब तक कुछ हो नहीं जाता।
तो तब तक करोगे जब तक नहीं हो जाता, भले ही 30 साल 40 साल भी लग सकता है.
टाइम किसको पता है?
Do one thing. Focus. Go to your home. Every single day, start working hard. Start working like crazy. Go. I said go. Pathetic. Are you such case? Are you one of those people who say, yes, I am working hard. Yes, I am working really, really hard. But you have not been able to do that. There are examples in our lives. One person wants to be a great actor. One person wants to be a great doctor, IAS, director, dancer. So many dreams are there. But the question is, are you really working hard? Are you passion blazing your life? Are you working like maniac to make your dream come true? Think. Introspect. Don't deceive yourself. Think. Talk to yourself. Are you really working in the right direction? Can you make it happen very soon? Don't delay. Don't delay too much. You need to come out of your comfort zone. You definitely need to come out of that. I'll share with you today one incident that totally changed my life. That made me come out of my comfort zone, and from an ordinary guy, I became a motivational speaker. But that happened because I dared. I came out of my comfort zone. Listen. So, hello, folks. Right now, we are here on a tennis court. This tennis court can teach us so many things. This court, this game has produced so many legends. Djokovic, Pat Sampras, Rafael Nadal, Roger Federer, Serena Williams, Martina Hingis, so many great names. We should learn. We should definitely learn. We should adopt their personalities, their attitude, their lifestyle, their everything. Friends, I believe the life is a game of tennis. Life hits and you hit back. It hits you again and again you hit back. The winners will be keep hitting the ball coming to them until they turn out to be the winners. So I'll tell you the story that changed my life, that metamorphosed my career. It was in 2011. In 2011, I was invited to deliver a speech on parent-child relationship and to conduct career counseling for high school students. I was good in that. So I reached the place the next day, and when I reached there, what do I see? The thing that I saw that made me sweat like anything, that made me, I was so scared. There was a humongous flax hanging right on the building, and that said, Mr. Bhuvnesh, a great motivational speaker, will deliver a speech on self motivation. I was like, what the hell is that? So it was very much new for me, and it was a big shock, which was about to turn into a complete disaster. So I called that organizer, definitely to discuss, and I asked him, man, dude, what the hell have you done? I'm not a motivational speaker. I am just a simple trainer. I can conduct career counseling, I can speak on parent-child relationship, but motivation is not my cup of tea. I have not done it before. So that dude, that really nice guy, he said me, sir, please manage. We cannot cancel it. The guys, the people, the audience, they have been waiting for you for a long time. So, sir, please kindly cooperate. I said in my mind, you freak. Can you do that? Without preparation, you are asking me to speak in front of 2,000 people who are intellectuals, who are nice people. So now, there were two options in front of me. First option, to deny, to neglect, to say, no, I cannot do that. I cannot afford. I really cannot afford to get humiliated in front of 2,000 people. No, I am not going to do that. The second person in me, I identified myself that day. So the second person inside me, he said, Bhuvnesh, don't do that. Don't deny that. Maybe it's a blessing in disguise. You can work it out. Think about it. So I said to that freak, that organizer, give me 5 minutes. I went to the loo. I went to the washroom, and there I contemplated, I introspected. There was a huge mirror in the loo. And now what do I see? I see myself. I see Bhuvnesh right there into that mirror. I talked to myself. I said, you have two options. I said to myself, you have two options. You give up, you go home, no risk, no profit, no improvement, that's it. But the other Bhuvnesh said, no, don't give up. Don't you ever give up. Just give it a try. Because even if you get humiliated, even if you fail, at least you'll be getting self-respect, huge self-respect. And if you profit, if you get success in that, then it's really good. So I talked to myself, I pumped up myself, and I decided, yes, I'm going to make that happen. I am going to speak whatever happens. So what happens? I come out of the loo, I tell that freak, that organizer, yes, I'm going to do that. I put up a huge smile on my face, and I get on the stage as if I have delivered thousands of motivational speeches in my life. I get on the stage, people start clapping. I say, this is the time, you must nail it. You must hit the iron while it is hot. I spoke for 3 hours. 3 freaking hours I spoke. Nobody moved. They thought I'm a competent motivational speaker, which I was not, but they were thinking. The show was over. After 3 hours, everybody was all appreciations, everybody was all admiration. They were taking pictures with me. I was so happy that day. I was confident. I was so proud of myself. Not because the speech went well, but because I made that happen. I took it as a challenge. And from that day, I discovered a new self, a new Bhuvnesh, a new confident Bhuvnesh. So that was a lesson. That was a total lesson, a big, big lesson. When you need to push yourself harder, that is going to change your life. So friends, start this attitude. Keep challenging yourself. Come out of your comfort zone and make everything possible. Whatever your desire is, you are competent enough. Everybody has got a huge potential. You need to identify that and you have to make it happen. You have to tell yourself, yes, I will do it. Whatever happens, whatever the situation is, life is not a bed of roses. It's a path of thorns. Make it happen. So in the end, I would just say, in Hindi, I would just say, तू रख हौसला तो वो मंजर भी आएगा, दरिया के पास समंदर भी आएगा, थक हार के ना रुक मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और जीने का मजा भी आएगा. So goodbye, take care, I see you soon, best luck.